Assalamu alaikum. You are listening to Radio Sada, Hurriyat, Jammu Kashmir. I am Ibn Salam with Kashmir Update. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the All Parties Hurriyat Conference today appointed illegally detained Masrat Alam Butt as its new chairman to spearhead the Kashmir freedom movement after the demise of veteran Hurriyat leader Sayyid Ali Shah Gilani. The decision in this regard was taken at an extraordinary meeting of the constituent parties held at the office of All Parties Hurriyat Conference in Srinagar today. Shabir Ahmed Shah and Ghulam Ahmed Gulzar have been appointed as vice chairman, while Maulvi Bashir Ahmed Irfani will continue to work as the All Parties Hurriyat Conference general secretary. The new APHC chairman, Masrat Alam Butt, was born in Srinagar in 1971. He was first arrested by the Indian paramilitary Border Security Force in October 1990 and was released 5 years later. He represented Jammu and Kashmir Muslim League in the All Parties Hurriyat Conference. He robustly led the 2010 mass uprising against India. He was put behind bars same year and was released in March 2015 but re-arrested only 40 days later. Since then, he continues to remain in India's illegal custody. At present, he remains imprisoned in New Delhi's notorious Tihar jail. He has almost spent 25 years in jail and holds a record of being slapped with draconian law Public Safety Act 38 times. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference has released another protest calendar in the wake of the custodial death of the veteran Hurriyat leader Sayyid Ali Gilani. As per the calendar, the APHC has asked people to conduct march towards respective Tehsil headquarters tomorrow and hold peaceful protests and pray for the martyrs of Kashmir. Women have been urged to join Azadi congregations in their respective villages. On Thursday, people will move towards Lal Chowk, Srinagar in cars and motorbikes and hold Azadi rally. On Friday, march toward Sayyid Ali Gilani's grave will be held for Tajdeed-e-Ahd, reaffirmation of commitment to continue freedom struggle till it reaches its logical conclusion. President of Pakistan Dr. Arif Alvi, in his address at the main ceremony of the Defence and Martyrs Day at the General Headquarters in Rawalpindi, said Pakistan completely rejects the illegal occupation of Kashmir by India and all of its illegal steps, including the measure of August 5, 2019, as it was blatant violation of the United Nations resolutions on Kashmir issue. Speaking on the occasion, Chief of Army Staff General Qamar Javed Bajwa, while reaffirming Pakistan's unwavering support to the Kashmir cause, said that world must know that without peaceful resolution of Kashmir issue, peace and stability will remain elusive in the region. In the face of mounting criticism, Indian police are trying to shift onus for overnight and besieged burial of veteran Hurriyat leader Sayyid Ali Gilani onto his two sons by saying that they resorted to anti-India activities, including raping of Sayyid Ali Gilani's body in Pakistani flag. PDP President Mehbooba Mufti deplored that treatment meted out to the body of veteran Hurriyat leader was uncalled for. She said New Delhi expresses concern for the rights of Afghan people but willfully denies the same to the Kashmiris. Meanwhile, she has again been placed under house arrest, which in a tweet she termed as exposition of the fake claims of normalcy in the occupied territory. The Gupkar Alliance of Regional Political Parties of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir has said that Dil ki Duri, alienation and disillusionment have only increased after the June 24th all-party meeting convened and chaired by Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi. And this is for now. Have a good night and keep listening Radio Sada, Hurriyat, Jammu Kashmir.